And dear friends, today I am going to teach about the development of periodic table. It was in 1861 Mendeleev for the first time to attempted to classify the elements that could explain their properties. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic weights in the form of table. He is known as Mendeleev's periodic table. According to him, the physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic functions of their atomic weights is called Mendeleev's periodic law. However, he brought out a number of defects in this table. Therefore, in order to remove these defects, in 1911 Moseley proved beyond these doubts. He changed the arrangement of elements from atomic weights to atomic number. This formulates modern periodic law. According to him, the physical and chemical properties of elements are a periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Atomic number is more fundamental property of an element because, for example, 6 tells carbon tells 6. No other element can have the same atomic number 6. Therefore, it is unique number. Then there are several tables have been suggested to classify the elements. All these tables are based on the modern periodic law. Out of such various tables, one most widely used table is called the long form of periodic table. It divides the elements into groups and periods. The vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 groups in the periodic table. And the horizontal rows are called the horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods. Then this table divides the element into 4 blocks. Depending upon the number of the last electron enters which orbital, for example, if the last electron just enters or end with s orbital only, therefore such elements are belong to s block elements. Similarly, if the last electron of the element just enters or ends with p orbital are called p block elements. Similarly, if the electron enters d and f block, if the last electron enters d and f orbitals are called d and f block respectively. Depending upon the number of electrons present in the valence shell. For example, that is called s block element. The set of 2 columns from the left portion of our periodic table are called s block elements. S block elements consists of 2 groups because the maximum number of electrons that can accommodate it in s orbital only 2. Therefore, group also equal to this number 2. First A group and second A group. First A group is called alkali metals. Second A group called alkaline earth metals. First A group, just the general electronic configuration is ns1, where n is the number of orbits or shells, where s is the shape of the atomic orbital. S means spherical shape here. 1 andre the electron present in the s shell. And next group ns2, it's ns2, where we can pick any elements from second A group, write its electronic configuration according to Aufbau principle, those electrons, the last electron enters s orbitals only, and contain 2 electrons. The s block elements mainly metals. Then you shall come to the p block elements. P block elements are placed at the end of the periodic table. P, the maximum number of electrons that can accommodate p orbital is 6. Therefore, group also equal to this number. Group 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18 groups. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 18 groups are called noble gases because they are completely octet, 8 electrons in the outermost orbit. Yes, they are stable. They neither combines or react with any other elements at ordinary temperature and pressure. Next, last but one are called halogens. Halogens means, halo means salt, genes means producer. Salt producer elements, those are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, whose valence electron is ns2 np5. In the s electron 2 and p electron 5. Totally, in the last orbital 7 valence electrons are there. And next, this black consists of metals, non-metals, and also metalloids. What are metalloids means? Metalloids having the elements having the properties of both metals and non-metals are called metalloids. The best example, germanium and silicon. Next D orbital or D shell contains 10 electron. The group is also equal to 10, and that elements 10. ಈಗ D